If you're trying to figure out how you can repost someone else's Instagram story to your own story, then I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, so keep on watching. So as you can see here, Barry Dernius, which is my alt account, if we click on their story, you can see that I have tagged myself down here at the very bottom. I hid it so people cannot see, but basically when someone tags you, then they have a toggle at the bottom, add this to your story. And now essentially you can just add their story to your story. So that's the most common way. However, if someone did not tag you and they posted a story that you wanted to repost as well, then as you can see, I have reposted a post. So what you can do as an alternative is go to the post that they reposted on their story and then click on the share button and then click on add post to your story. So that's another option that you can do in case the first one does not work. Now, the final method that you can do in case none of those options are a choice for you is to go on their story, and then you can either screen record or screenshot the story that you want to repost. Now you can just easily repost the story that they have just posted on your own story, just like that. As you can see, I've just reposted my alt story on my main account story. So that is how you do it.